So the markets are continuing to drop. We start off this week very bearish. We start off with some droppage. We start off with some gaps to the downside, and it could be for good reason. Now I want to analyze a couple things, and I want to show you guys exactly what I think is going to happen and kind of my market analysis. But first things first, man. U.S. Pentagon says it shot down more objects as it heightens scrutiny. We're talking about 4 objects now. We have seen another object in the last hour get dropped. We saw one yesterday, a couple days before that, and we saw the Chinese balloon that had came over. So we're talking about 4 objects have been shot down just in this last 7 days. Like it's actually been crazy. Good news. Well, maybe not good news here. Asia stocks fall from open after Wall Street. It's not another downside recession sign here in the Asian stocks. But here we go. Here's the good news. China is ready to down an object flying near naval base. Now, I don't mean that this is great news. It's not great news in any way, but it's good news in the sense of we're not the only ones being targeted. We're not the only ones that are getting messed with. There's objects flying over China now, so we know China is probably not the ones doing this, although it could just be for us to think that. There's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of scrutiny, but I do want to say this all ties into will the markets drop, okay? Now here's the last one. The Super Bowl's here. And it's on right now. And instead of watching it, I'm here with you guys. So the biggest thing you guys can do for me to help me out, man, doing all this stuff for free and everything like that, leave a 5-star review on this app right now. I will be giving away 1 free monthly. Matter of fact, I'll be giving 2 free lifetime signal packages to 2 of you guys, okay? 2 of you guys will get the Clarity Forex signals for free. It's via Telegram, but you guys will be getting it for free. 5-star review on here, man. Go down below, then message me on Instagram. Show me you guys did it. And yeah, you guys will be entered for that giveaway. And let's talk about what I'm looking at. We're looking at gold, right? We're looking at gold on the daily. I showed you guys the Clarity algo was showing a bearish signal, saying that we're pretty much going to be dropping. Just to show you guys, yes, there will be not only buy-sell signals on Clarity algo, but there will be color candle coordination, saying that when price is showing green candles, we're going bullish. We're showing a bullish market, which it was very bullish this is since literally November 9th. So very accurate. And now we have sells coming in. We have a sell signal. We have the sell signal here, and now we have a bearish set of candles coming in. And again, this is very accurate stuff. Now, over the last few weeks, I realized that gold was in this channel. Okay, we're in a pretty strong channel, I would say. Overall, we've been in this channel since, again, October 11th of 2022. Around that time is when it really started to become a channel. And this previous channel that we were in from April of 2022 till pretty much about November of 2022. So, I mean, not a full year, but a lot of 2022, we stood in this channel on gold. Broke out of it, and now we're in a secondary channel to the upside. It's very normal. This is very normal stuff right here. Do I think that we're going to break this channel? Well, that's my main thing. We have signals saying we are. And if we do happen to break this channel, I 100% will be taking investing sales. Now, what I mean by that is I'll be shorting gold long-term on the daily, probably holding for weeks, maybe even months, depending on how long it wants to drop. Again, last time it started coming up out of this channel was October, so it's been months. But again, I will take short positions. First target will be at this 200-day moving average / support zone. Second target will be down in here. We haven't seen these lows since November 3rd. And again, that's what I'm looking at on gold. It's not just about indicators. I'm looking at actual price action. Channels, wedges, and breakouts are what I trade the most. And if I see those occurring on a higher time frame, smaller time frame, whatever the case may be, I'm going to trade it. Now here we're looking at NASDAQ. I told you guys we break out the channel, bullish. We break above the 200-day moving average, extremely bullish, and the rest is going to be history. Now, we did continue up, but we started to show rejections, and we started to create resistance. Now, here's the thing. This has been, in the last 20-plus years, the strongest start to a NASDAQ market in any January, any year, any start of a year. In 20-plus years, I mean, when you have moves like this, you got to understand that there is going to be, 1, major pullback, 2, maybe a minor pullback / retracement, or 3 is going to completely reverse, okay? It happens. It happens when you have too much bulls come in. The reason being, a lot of people are buying, a lot of people are pushing to upside, they're investing, and they're noticing 2023 is not supposed to be a good year. It's supposed to be a recession. I'm going to pull out. I'm going to take my money out. Now, this is going to cause the market to drop, and that's what I believe is happening here. Now, when it comes to NASDAQ, I can't really say what I think is going to happen in this particular moment. We're at a major reversal zone in general. But if price continues to drop and I start to see, indicators giving me the green light, or I should say red light, for short positions, then I'm going to look for short positions, especially if we break below the 200-day moving average. Then again, I'll probably start to invest in short positions for long-term trades. We'll call it swing trades because it's not really investing if it's going down. But, that's what I'll be looking for because, again, we started a high, we're at a peak, we're dropping hard. We are dropping hard. I mean, just in the last, it's like 4 days, 4%. So we had a great start 2023, but now we're down 4% just in the last 4 days. So something to look at. Again, this could be a retracement. We could continue up, but until I see more indicators or more indication of what's going to happen, I can't really trade it very much. I can trade it. Sorry, let me rewind that. I can scalp trade it, but I can't really invest long term in this right now. So that's where I'm at, man. A little bit mixed emotions here on gold. I do believe we will drop, but we'll see what happens, guys. But that's pretty much all I have today. I'll hit you guys up tomorrow when we have our trades that have taken place, and we'll see how we did.